From the secret places of Orient in Africa to the modern masters of developers in Africa, here comes an alluring summit of 2024. Welcome your neighbor to the Pearl of Africa.
Africa Stocking has been in existence for 14 years. So it's been 14 years of trying to figure out how we can make Africa great. Our focus has always been Africa, hence the name Africa Stocking. The theme this year is innovating Africa's future. So we definitely can, there's no way we're going to innovate without devs. So good to see you in the room. The summit is officially open. Have fun, enjoy yourselves. Looking forward to talking to each and every one of you.
As you guys grow, please come and talk to us about what we are seeing in your sector.